70 small business ideas you can start with under $500. Business is evolving, and demand for services is growing rapidly. You don't need thousands to launch a business, sometimes $500 or less is all it takes. If you know your audience and market needs, that small investment can turn into something powerful. Here are 70 low-cost business ideas you can start today. Tabletop biofires. Create mini fireplaces using safe, odorless biofuel for home decor and heating. Tufting gun rugs. Make custom rugs with a tufting gun, frame, and fabric, sell online or locally. Cultured stone molds. Produce artificial stone veneers for decor, landscaping, and construction. Key making service. Offer key duplication services for individuals, hotels, and companies. Wooden PC cases. Craft stylish, heat-resistant cases from birch or cherry plywood. Manicure printer. Print nail designs at home with gel lacquers, no experience needed. Power bank vending. Install charging kiosks in high-traffic areas with cashless payment. Popcorn business. Sell flavored popcorn at parks or events with a $100 machine. Laser engraving. Customize products with names or designs, great for gifts or decor. Badge maker. Create custom pins and badges, sell on Etsy or social media. Homemade cheese. Start a mini cheese business with basic gear and recipes. Sausage and egg machine. Cook unique snacks with flavored sausages and eggs. Taiyaki waffles. Serve fish-shaped waffles filled with chocolate, cream, or jam. Corn dog stand. Popular street food. Stand out with flavors, sauces, or presentation. Imagowayaki. Japanese pancakes with sweet or savory fillings for events/festivals. Shaped waffles, bulldog, banana, or themed waffle irons for novelty appeal. UFO burgers. Trendy, uniquely shaped burgers with customizable fillings. Engraving pen. Personalized jewelry, knives, and gifts for tourists or clients. Cutting plotter. Make custom decals and stickers for cars, phones, or branding. Ice machine. Sell ice to local cafes or restaurants, low consumable cost. Drone videography. Shoot weddings, sports, and real estate, sell videos online. Kids car rentals. Rent electric kids cars in parks, fast ROI. Temporary tattoo printer. Quick, safe body art that prints in seconds. Oxygen cocktails. Offer energy-boosting drinks in gyms, salons, or cafes. Churros business. Use a $100 machine to fry and serve churros. Coffee printer. Print images on coffee foam for cafes, adds premium appeal. Phone repair. Start with basic cleaning and repair kits, use online tutorials. Custom mug printing. Print custom designs with dye sublimation tools. Mini cement bricks. Make toy-like building kits from molds and cement. Pet bedside tables. Dual-use furniture that caters to pet lovers. Candle making. Easy to start from home using molds and paraffin. Glazed nut machine. Coat nuts in chocolate or caramel for snack sales. Food dehydrator. Make healthy snacks like fruit chips or jerky. Perfume bottling. Repackage bulk fragrances into stylish small bottles. Filling machine. Fill thick or thin liquids into containers, ideal for cosmetics or honey. Label machine. Apply branded labels easily and affordably. Air cushion machine. Package products with bubble wrap for online sellers. Nail polish filling. Start your own budget-friendly nail polish brand. Thick liquid filler. sell creams, lotions, or syrups under your own brand. Egg incubator, hatch chicks from home with a $42 incubator. Glass bottle cutter, make decor or glasses from old bottles. Oil extractor, make cooking oil from olives, peanuts, or sunflower seeds. Stone sink production, craft custom solid stone sinks with basic tools. Soy milk machine, produce fresh plant-based milk for local sale. Confectionery printer, print colorful designs on cakes, cookies, and pastries. Balloon gift wrapping, package gifts in clear balloons for events and holidays. 360 photo booth, provide immersive event photo experiences. Hong Kong waffle maker, make trendy bubble waffles with custom fillings. Thermal imaging, offer home energy audits or industrial diagnostics. Shoe cleaning, provide premium shoe detailing and restoration. Personal trainer, offer fitness coaching at home or in the park. Mobile notary, help clients sign official documents, startup cost under $100. Senior care aid, offer non-medical help to aging adults at home. Holiday decorator, get paid to decorate homes and offices during the holidays. Rental space, rent out your parking spot, storage shed, or yard. Home remodeling, offer affordable upgrades with basic tools. Cleaning service, start with basic supplies and expand as demand grows. Painting service, provide house painting with brushes and ladders. Pet sitting, offer care for pets at little to no startup cost. Consulting, use your expertise to advise others, just need a laptop and phone. Social media manager, help businesses grow online with strategy and content. Professional organizer, organize homes or offices for busy clients. Craft business, sell handmade items or treats from home. Clay crafts, sell pottery or decorative items online. Repair business, help homeowners with basic repairs or renovations. Virtual assistant, manage tasks remotely for entrepreneurs or small companies. Translation service, translate documents or conversations into English. Laundry service, wash, dry, and deliver clothes locally. Lawn care, mow and maintain lawns, scale with the seasons. Tour guide, lead local or international tours, perfect if you love history and travel.